This is the 85th episode of the Mortgage Report. So what's the Mortgage Report about? It's a way for me to be able to deliver to you guys what's happening in the markets as it relates to market-related news and what I'm giving you as my lock or float position for the week. Now, this is a weekly report, so if you want to get daily insight, if anything's changing, you got to follow me on Facebook or Instagram, because in the stories, I want to give you an insight into what's happening in the market if it's changing my lock or float position for the week. All right, so let's get right into the markets. We have a really strong housing market, guys. All right, CoreLogic came out and even said that they're expecting a 4.6% price increase in 2019. Now, I'm using, and my analysts have been feeding me data around a 4% number. So they're a little bit more aggressive at 4.6. If we just look at our 4% number, let's look at a $300,000 home. Okay, 4% of that $300,000, that's going to be $12,000 that house is going to go to next year if you were to wait 1 year to buy. So this is the cost of waiting, guys. A $300,000 house is going to be $12,000 more expensive, okay, next year. At the same time, if you bought that $300,000 house today, then that house is going to be $12,000 more in your pocket in equity. All right, so that's a really good reason to buy. Now, if we go into the markets and take a look at it, what we're looking at right now, bond markets at 102.3, we're up 13 basis points, which is a really good day today. Now, if you look at the numbers, and if you go back to where we were this time last week, this is on Monday, we were in a floating position, and it's proven to be the right decision. Bonds have moved up the gap, and we're closer to the 102.5 mark, which is our new ceiling of resistance. So we have our floor of resistance right here at 101.9. We have a ceiling of resistance here at 102.47. So that floor of support has been holding really nicely back here on Monday. We bounced off that, and now we're trading in a large gap. So this week, guys, because it's going to be a really quiet news week, all we have is some inflationary data that's going to come out, and it should be really, really quiet. I'm going to continue floating. So I'm going into the weekend floating. I'm going to open up on Monday in a floating position, and obviously I'll evaluate everything on a daily basis. So make sure you follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Just search Bob Mortgage. Look, I've been a mortgage advisor for over 20 years, been blessed to provide financing to over 25,000 families during that time period. I use that experience and I watch the markets every single day to make sure I can deliver to you the right home loan at the right price. Give me a call with Bob Mortgage. Your dream loan is already within your reach.